Earth and the sky. We live on Earth, the only planet known to have life on it. In this chapter, we will discuss more about Earth, our home, and the heavenly bodies like sun, moon, and stars. Space. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of air. Outside this layer of air is space. Indian astronomers. Astronomers are people who study about stars. Aryabhatta, Varahamihira and Bhaskara are some of the famous Indian astronomers. Savai Jai Singh of Amber built an observatory at Delhi to study the stars. It was called the Jantar Mantar. Solar System. The Sun and its 8 planets are all members of a space family called the Solar System. Sun. We see sun during the day. The sun is a very big ball of hot gases. The sun is a star. The sun gives us heat and light, which is very important for human beings, animals, and plants. The sun rises in the east. The sun sets in the west. The sun gives us heat and light. It helps plants to grow. Moon. The moon goes around the earth. Like the earth, the moon also gets its light from the sun. The day when we see the full moon is called Purnima. When there is no moon seen on the sky, it is called Amavasya. The moon changes its shape every day. Sometimes it is round, like a ball. Sometimes we see half the moon. And sometimes we cannot see the moon at all. When the moon is round like a ball, we call it a full moon. Life on the moon. There is no air or water on the moon. So, there is no life on the moon. The surface of the moon is covered with huge potholes called craters. Landing on the moon. In 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first human to step on the moon's surface. He went to the moon on a spacecraft called Apollo 11. Stars. Stars are huge heavenly bodies. They give out light of their own. Some groups of stars form patterns in the sky. They are called constellations. One of the famous constellations is the Great Bear or Saptarishi. The single star which shines brightly in the north is called Pole Star or Dhruv Tara. The Earth. All of us live on the Earth. Our Earth is round like a ball. The Portuguese sailor named Magellan proved that the Earth is round. However, it is not perfectly round. It is slightly flattened at the top and bottom. The Earth is the only planet known to have life. Life is possible on Earth because it has both water and air on it. The Earth is surrounded by a thick layer of air called atmosphere. The Earth is made up of land and water. 70% of the Earth is covered with water. Movement of the Earth. The spinning of the Earth on its own axis is called rotation. The Earth spins from west to east and it completes one rotation in 24 hours. The Earth is spherical in shape. The Earth gets light from the Sun. Rotation of the Earth on its axis causes day and night. Along with the rotation on its axis, the Earth goes around the Sun. This movement of the Earth around the Sun is called revolution. The time taken to complete one revolution is 1 year, 365 and 1/4 days. This revolution causes seasons. Atmosphere. The Earth is surrounded by a thick layer of air called atmosphere. About 3/4 of the Earth's surface is water. The Sun and its 8 planets are all members of a space family called the solar system. The Earth is round like an orange. It is made up of land, water and air. The spinning of the Earth on its axis is called rotation. One rotation of the Earth takes about 24 hours. It causes day and night. The movement of the Earth around the Sun is called revolution. The Sun is a star. It gives out heat and light. It does not move like the planets. The Moon is a satellite of the Earth. It has no light of its own. It reflects the light of the Sun. The Moon has many phases. Groups of stars in the sky are called constellations. Indian astronomers have greatly contributed to man's knowledge about the stars. The force of attraction of the Earth is called gravity. Space is the place outside the layer of air surrounding the Earth. Neil Armstrong was the first person to step on the Moon. Since the Earth's pull is very strong, rockets are needed to go into space. Yuri Gagarin was the first human to go into space. There is no life on the Moon, as there is no air or water there.